welcome back to my channel again. So today's vlog is I am going to show you guys, I am going to share with you how I cut my own bangs. So yeah, let's go. So when it comes to bangs, I like bangs, but I don't like a thick bangs. I just like a very few hairs. First off, you just have to have your hair. So, yan. And then after that, I tie my hair. And then I just take a few strokes of hairs. So yes guys, ganito lang siya kakonte. So the way I cut it is just like I put them together and I just twist and I cut it on here until here, just here, and bam. See? Ang dali lang. If gusto nyo pa siyang i-short, pwede nyo naman siyang adjustan. Shit. Medyo kailangan ko lang siyang i-iron itong part na to kasi yung hati kasi ng hair ko pa ganun. Kaya medyo more on the other side siya. Pero pag gitna to, dapat nasa gitna i-attach. So yun, pwede nyo naman siyang i-adjust